Good morning, friends. I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome to the studio. If you're new here, my name is Karynjean. Excuse me. I had my back surgery yesterday, so I'm doing fine, but I have a very sore throat from the breathing tube or something. Plus, I bit the inside of my lip, so insult to injury kind of stuff. Anyway, what I'm showing you here, and I had to write it down, this is the first time I've ever ordered something like this. You know how they have all these kits and membership kind of things. I haven't subscribed to any of them, but this is from your creative studio. It cost me $39.70. That might have been with tax and shipping and stuff. I don't know. And this is their April 2024 stationery box. It's not their kit. It's their stationery box. And the theme of it is vintage, non-holiday. Of course, you don't know what you're getting when you get it. There is a lot of stuff in here. I opened it, went through it yesterday. It came yesterday, I think. So I'm going to show it all to you. And if there's glare, I apologize because, you know, all the acetate, the packaging. The thing is, with the exception of one or two things, none of this is my style. I don't know if I like much of any of it, quite honestly. But that's just my personal style. And it has nothing to do with what they're sending or the quality or anything. So these are stickers. Oh, excuse me. And as you can see, they're not very large and they're duplicates. So see if I can get that up for you to see. Do I have it upside down? I have it upside down. Washi stickers. And this theme of this box is, I guess, blue and natural. And it's, as you can see, it's vintage. Like that's a vintagey looking, you know, 1950s or whatever. So here, let me just show these to you, right? So these, oh, excuse me, my throat is really, really sore. These are interesting. Like, see here, we're working on the lemon journal, and I'm like, oh, look at that. Lemons. I'm not quite sure it's going to match with the lemon journal because it's blue, and it's not going to match with the lemon journal. But, so there's this box of stickers. I will say you do get a lot. You do get a lot. And it was all wrapped up in, with this paper. And this paper's kind of nice, right? I like the paper. We could certainly use that. We'll save that too because, and it's meant to be saved. Now this here is paper ephemera, 24 sheets of, okay, it's, let's take it out of, I hadn't opened this, as you can see. The stick is still sticking. Let's get it out so we can see what we have here. We have 6 sticker papers, 6 vellums, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. I don't know if the art paper is supposed to be like a rice paper or something. And what's nice is all their packaging is something you can use. So we have, and I wonder if they're the same patterns, but just in the different styles of paper. So there's that one. This one. And see, this is why it's, I don't think it's really my style because it's, I don't know, is it like different Moroccan tiles or something or just tiles? I don't know. That, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, and this, because it's blues, this I can certainly use. 6. Okay, and here's the vellum. And for the vellum, I want a better background so you can see. Well, maybe you can't see because of, do I have a white? Bear with me just a second. I want to make sure that we're getting the full effect of everything here. There, put it on background white. So that's pretty. I mean, the chrysanthemums here, right? So this is vellum. So, and it's not the same as those papers. This is different too. And that looks kind of similar to something we just saw. So maybe it is the same. 2, 3. Yeah, they're the same. It's the same paper and vellum as it is in what we just saw. 4. 5. And 6. And what are these? These might be the sticker paper, although I don't see a release on it. What did the back of the thing say? I think we're going in order. Oh, we're not, because the first thing is sticker paper. So I'm not quite sure. So this is, it feels thick. I don't see any thing to, I don't know if it's sticker paper or not. It feels like it has a backing on it, like it could be sticker paper. But I don't know. And then there's this, which is, this has texture to it. This has a little, all right, so this must be the sticker paper, and this must be the, what are they calling it? The art paper? Art paper. Yeah, that must be the sticker paper, and this must be the art paper, because it has a texture to it. So, there we go. Oops, what do we have there? Oh, the packaging card. Okay, let's get that away. Because when you don't know what it is, broke it. Can never put things away. Okay, so we'll just put that aside. So yeah, I did open these things. Now this says cling stamps, your Creative Studio cling stamps. And that's the stamp. I don't know if you can see with the, it's hard to see. Okay, let's do this. Let's, I should probably not use the black because, let's use this. Let's see if we can figure out what it's like. What it looks like. Excuse me. Not sure I got it all or not, quite honestly. And let's just press down on it. So there it is. It's like the chrysanthemum with some of those Moroccan-looking tiles with it. So that's one. There's another stamp in here too. This is, oh, this is washi tape. Sorry, let's go to the washi tape. So here's the washi tape. Okay. I mean, that's, as washi tape, that can be used. That might be something I would use. Now, this here says it's a cling stamp. Is this a cling stamp? Oh, yes, this is another cling stamp. Okay. Because there's one package that said it was washi tape or something, and it wasn't. It was like a bookmark, a metal dangle bookmark. So let's see what this one is. And we could probably look at the paper to see where they pulled it from on the paper to make the stamp from, right? I am really froggy this morning. Oh, it is morning, too. It's not even 9 o'clock. So there's that one. Okay. And, oh, what's this? Retro Society. These are, they're just paper. And there's multiples of each. So there's that. This I could use. What else do we have here? Let's see if we can get it in a way that we can see it. It's birds it's gold. Alice Cooper. Wow. I wonder what year that was. Alice Cooper tickets, birds, gold, and coffee dyed paper type thing. So, in different tickets and different... Well, that's gold. Is there gold on all of them? No, there's not gold on all of them. There's only gold on some of them. Oh, that's good to know. What else do we have? We have this here, which says, it doesn't say anything. I'm not quite sure what these are. They might be stickers. Let's see if we can get them out. Oh, I know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Recently, I ordered from, I don't remember. I think it might have come from scrapbook.com. These are 5x7. Ugh. So let's see if they'll fit. Maybe, maybe not. No, because these are going to be, these are bigger than 5x7. Okay, but we can put these things in here. Right. Stamps. And I guess it's a good idea to keep it all together because it's all the same theme, correct? The washi tape, we'll put the washi tape in here, although that probably can go with our washi tape. Okay. And yes, I'm throwing that bit away. Okay, so we have this stuff. Now these are, what is this? I don't know. Nice packaging though, again. Oh, there's stickers. That looks like a sticker. Nope, it's not. It's just thin paper. Thin paper for... See, when I look at this stuff, I look and I'm like, this is... What am I going to use this for? I'm sure I'll find some place to use it. But, yeah, I don't... I like the packaging, though. Sorry, I'm not sure you're seeing this or not. Oh, greens and blues. The style here, like I said, not really my style. So, we have that, we have that. What else do we have over here? Let's make sure we get it all. All right, let's move the box away. I'll put that in with the... Oh, so this here says masking tape. It's not masking tape, it's this thing. It's a dangle. This is a bookmark. This you stick on the page. And then this is the dangle with the bird and the chrysanthemum, right? So I guess I'll make a journal using this stuff. And yeah, I guess, I don't know. It might just sit there for a while. And this is, here we go. We have these silicone stamps. And I can't even get it out of the... I'm just going to leave it in the... Oh, maybe not. You can't see it. I was going to say I was just going to leave it in there. But, okay, here we go. And it's kind of like Moroccan tile. This reminds me of the Pennsylvania Dutch things they put on their barns to ward off evil or something. Right? I don't know. And then these tiny little ones, which... could be used just to, you know, along the edge of a page or just to give something a little extra. I don't know. And then this is the card. Again, they came with it, packaging card. This is washi stickers. Oh, there it says right there, your creative studio, honestly. And this is just a sheet of these washi stickers. They're like labels, and... That looks like a sticker, too. It's just a circle. Looks like it's a sticker. There are stickers, circles and shapes. That's another sticker right there. It's just a little square-like shape. So there's the labels, and then you really, I don't think you can see, there's a circle, there's a circle. They're using the empty space around. Circle, circles. This is kind of like a square with mitered corners. Circles. So that's what that is. And this is just this. These are stickers, alphabet stickers. And it's just this one sheet. of alphabet stickers. And they're red, which is interesting. Well, I guess, yeah. All right. And then we have this here, which are 2 different stencils. I do not think they're laying with stencils. They don't look like laying with stencils. So this one says, let's get our packaging out so you can see it better. That one says 2-1. And I'm calling this Moroccan tiles because I have stencils similar to this that are called Moroccan tiles. And then this is 2-2, which is also like Moroccan tiles. So there are the stencils. I'll put them back in here until no. I'll put those away with their stencils. Okay, and then we have this, which is rub-ons. See, that's a cute little rub-on thing. And let's get this opened up. Let me just see how easy it'll be to separate the backing from the fronting. Okay, yeah. So it's rub-ons. You could use all of it, any of it, bits and pieces of it. 3 sheets of rub-ons. So that's this month's April 2024 stationery box from Your Creative Studio. It's vintage, non-holiday. I think maybe the holiday, if I had ordered the holiday one, it might have been Easter. I don't know. So there we go. So I think I'm going to try to keep most of it in this, this right here, this 5x7 right here. Will this fit in here if I cut off this top? It will. Just gonna, and these are alphabet stickers. As you can see, it's a bit distressed, right? The way they have the ink. Excuse me. It also has a bit of a texture to it. So I'll put that in there, that in there. Will this fit in here? These can go in here. These can go in here. And those can go in there. And that can go in there. And that can go in there. The rub-ons I'll keep separate with the papers. And does it say Your Creative Studio? What does this say? Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy this collection, Your Creative Studio. So I'll put that in there too. And there we go. The rest of this, let's see if I can close it again. Should be closing fine. Nothing's blocking it, right? Nope. Papers. I will find home for these things. This is packaging. The stencils will find a home for the packaging. We'll find a home for the stencils, I mean. The packaging we'll put over here in our scrap. In with our scraps. But right now I'll keep it there. So anyway, I know I'm rambling. What can I say? I'm sorry. Drugs, pain medicine. So there's our little Your Creative Studio April 2024 stationery box, vintage, non-holiday, and $39.70. Again, I don't know if that was the box or if that was the box plus tax and shipping and all that. Could have been just, I don't know, but there we go. So, another little haul. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I'll catch you next time.